Hi guys, and welcome back to Tanigram. Spring break is finally here, and what better way to celebrate than with an epic adventure with friends. This year we decided to take a trip to the stunning DC and Virginia area. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. Our first stop was Washington, D.C., the capital. We hit the road early, excited to reunite with our friends who live there. I drink and I know things. Coffee connoisseur. Another coffee connoisseur. And the children. The little mangoes. After some laughs and catching up, we were off to explore the iconic Smithsonian Air and Space Museum. Hey astronaut, ready for takeoff? Ready for lunch? Are you ready for lunch? Are you ready for lunch? Yeah. Let's go. It's mind-blowing to see all those spaceships and airplanes up close. The museum is divided into two main sections, air and space. The air tackles the history of flight, from early balloons and gliders to supersonic jets and modern helicopters. You will see iconic aircraft like the Curtiss JN-4D Jenny used in World War I and the Boeing 377 Stratocruiser, a popular passenger plane in the 1950s. The space section takes you on a thrilling journey through the cosmos. Explore the history of space exploration, from early rockets to the Apollo missions that landed the first humans on the moon. Whether you're a space enthusiast or simply curious about human ingenuity, the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum is a must-visit for anyone visiting Washington, D.C. Leaving the museum with our heads in the clouds, pun intended, we refueled at a fantastic place called the Urban Roast. This restaurant is decked all year round, depending on the weather, depending on the season, depending on the festival. Since it's spring, it's all decked up in flowers. The whole vibe of this restaurant is just stunning. We grabbed a quick bite of appetizers, a charcuterie board, while enjoying the colorful floral bliss.
We are on
Feeling revitalized, we set off to explore the wharf.
Finally, we got a
Beautiful waterfront district in DC. We strolled along the docks, taking in the stunning views of the Potomac River. The wharf bustled with activity. There were trendy shops, delicious restaurants, and even boats bobbing gently in the water. Located just south of the National Mall, the wharf offers easy access to Washington, D.C.'s most beloved monuments, memorials, art venues, sporting events, and more, as well as plenty of transportation options to explore the rest of the district's attractions. The next morning, we went to the breathtaking Carter Mountain in Virginia. The kids participated in an Easter egg hunt. This was Mr. Fish's first ever Easter egg hunt, and what a fun setting. Running around in an apple orchard looking for colorful eggs? Wow! Then we hopped on a hayride, enjoying the fresh air and the vibrant scenery of Blue Ridge Mountains and the orchard. With the weather blessing us with 75 Fahrenheit, it was a perfect day to be outdoors. Feeling a bit peakish, we indulged in some warm, melt-in-your-mouth cider donuts. These are the best cider donuts I have ever had. Warm and soft on the inside, super crispy on the outside, covered with crunchy sugar and cinnamon. Yummy! And don't even get me started on the refreshing apple cider. Yum! To top it all off, we explored the charming Pedestrian Mall in Charlottesville, Virginia, which is like 10-minute drive from Carter Mountain. We explored the shops for a bit, walked around, and enjoyed the warm day. As the sun began to set, we headed back to a friend's place for the highlight of the trip, a bonfire. We gathered around the bonfire, enjoyed each other's company under the starry night, had yummy dinner made by my friend, and it was a treat.
Starting thing.
Who made this is my mom.
Whoa. Joy making smoky old fashioned.
Hi!
Hello.
The menu is
some mutton and
bangan masala. Yeah.
Hello everyone, we're having some mutton and luchi. Bye.
Bye! So the menu is bangan masala, mutton, some fried rice, chola dal, and pure bliss. The next day was Easter Sunday, which brought another round of Easter egg hunting, this time at a friend's house. Where the kids ran around the backyard looking for eggs, we had a cute little barbecue before the rain dampened the mood. It was a true explosion of flavors and a perfect ending to our amazing spring break adventure. This trip was all about friendship, good food, and exploring new places in Virginia and DC. Stunning scenery, delicious eat, and unforgettable memories. If you're looking for a fun and vibrant vacation destination, I highly recommend checking out Virginia. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tanigram for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Bye!